I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Robinhood account. First, download the Robinhood app from your App Store and follow the simple steps to create your investment account. Next, you'll need to link your bank account securely to fund your investments. This process usually takes just a few minutes. You can begin investing with as little as $1, making it accessible for everyone to start their financial journey. Once your account is funded, it's time to explore your investment options. Robinhood offers a wide range of assets, including individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, and even cryptocurrencies. Use the intuitive search bar to easily find specific companies or assets you're interested in. Before making any decisions, take time to review the detailed information provided, such as performance charts and recent news. Now let's place your first trade. After selecting an asset, you'll choose whether to buy or sell. You can invest any amount you like, even purchasing fractional shares, which means you don't need to buy a whole share. For example, you could invest $10 into a stock. Always review your order details, including the total cost and number of shares, before confirming your trade. Managing your Robinhood account is straightforward. You can easily monitor your portfolio's performance and track all your investments in real time. The app also allows you to access important documents like account statements and tax forms whenever you need them. When you're ready to take profits or need funds, initiating a withdrawal to your linked bank account is a simple process, typically taking a few business days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.